And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Armos Fundamentals, Basketballista, and Rock Bank Abu Dhabi. Okay. First position of San Sebastian. Now the Alcala, the Yo-Yo Man. Alcala grab, Yo-Yo Man. Short. Rebound. On the Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man. Del Rosario, too strong, short. Again, San Sebastian. Reset. Shot clock. Now the Yo-Yo Man. Grab, Yo-Yo Man goes to coast. It's rumbling violation on the Yo-Yo Man. First game and first match for our NCAA Season 4 Repasolista. It's University of the North against San Sebastian. Too strong. Rebound by Bintero. Yes, first basket, first shot on UN. It's 2-0. Now Cruz. Too strong. Rebound again. Oh, it's top. Intercepted by Alcala. Now Alcala. Short again. Rebound on UN. It's 2-0. Same spot. Hey. 14 to shoot. Again, rebound on San Sebastian. Still again on UN. Rebound foul. All on number 9 on San Sebastian. First on San Sebastian. Favor of University of the North. Top. Now the Yo-Yo Man Alcala. Alcala zigzag na. Turnover again on San Sebastian. Back-to-back turnover on San Sebastian. Still 8 minutes. Way down to the 8 minutes mark. Foul. All on number 10 on Losada. First on Losada. First team foul, San Sebastian. Foul on number 9 on San Sebastian. Third team foul on San Sebastian. Second personal foul against number 9 on now 3 against 0. It's all University of the North. Now Cruz. Still again on UN. Here comes the San Sebastian. It's 3-on-1. Alcala. Ilustrado top. Now to Alcala. Alcala drive. Yo-Yo Man to Lusada. Big downside to strong again top. Now Cruz.
Baba.
Cruz. Drive. Rebound. On the town. All on number 10 again on Lusada. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian.
Lusada second.
Second personal foul against Lusada.
Then Uy.
Uy! Now, block by Lusada. Now, Cruz. Nice defense on number 3 on UN. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 against 0, UN. Cruz again. Again, in and out, rebound by Lusada. Lusada, 14% shot clock, 14. Short. Rebound by Uy. Now Uy, guarded by 3. Back to Uy. Block short. Rebound on Lusada. Now the Yo-Yo Man. Nice move by Yo-Yo Man. Too strong. What a move coming from Yo-Yo Man. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's 3-0. This game is brought to you by Toro Sports. Lusada, a strong move. I'm a strong guy, Lusada. Now 1 point lead on UN. It's 3 against 2. Now Uy. Short. Rebound on the Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man, coast to coast. Yo-Yo Man, 6-out foul. Foul on number 14. On Kalaykay. First, against Kalaykay, first team foul UN. It's 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Now he's again on University of the North. It's Marbella. Ken, too strong, top. Rebound on sa Trisal, Cruz. Oh, he's still again. All the way. Now 5 against 2. It's 3-point lead on UN.
Hindi na pa akong matatapos ng first shot. Hindi ko na yung pangalan. Pinatanong ko siya. Ito yun.
Uy. Drive, Uy. Nice defense. Foul. Foul number 7 on Sebastian. Time out on UN.
Under ko, sir.
Din Rosario.
Nugget, 11.
07 din Rosario.
11. UN, 11. UN.
Del Rosario.
UN. UN number 11.
San Sebastian.
Number 11, UN number 11. UN, ano UN? May free throw. Ba may UN na dati doon?
2-3 show shots on number 11. Now 6-2.
Wala pa.
Yung number 11 pa ano? Pasa mo?
Pabayad ka lang. Now Cruz. Dali. Good ball. Kalaykay. Out. Turnover on UN is 4 minutes and 10. 6-2. Now Lusada. Cruz. Open jumper again. Top. Now nice pass. Almost now 4-6. It's 2-point lead on UN. Still again on Cruz. Too strong. Hindi ba ba? Uy.
Bigay!
3 minutes and 40. It's UN ball. UN.
Bola. Nelson, bola! Nelson!
Oh, Lusada. 6-all. This is our first deadlock of the game. Uy. Too strong by Palomares. Now, San Sebastian ball. It's 3 minutes. Villanueva. Bang! On Villanueva, it's 9-6.
Bola!
3-point lead, San Sebastian. Now, San Sebastian again, Alcala. Alcala, looking for Cruz. Lusada, 10 to shoot. Now, Kalaykai, rebound. 2 minutes and 20.
Tempo!
Kalaykai, galing by Lusada. Kalaykai on the way! In and out. Rebound on Cruz. Drive, coast to coast by Cruz. Now 11-6. It's 5-point lead on San Sebastian. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Kalaykai. Back to Palomares. Too strong again on UN.
Number 4,
It's
Mark.
1 minute and 40 seconds. Cruz. Bang! On Cruz.
Depensa!
It's 14-6. Foul.
Number 9.
Foul on number 9 on San Sebastian. Full time out. On San Sebastian, it's 14-6, 1 minute and 24 seconds. And this time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Skate Balista, and Delta Basketball League. 1 minute and 24 seconds. It's only 8-point lead on San Sebastian.
Penalty na.
Now San Sebastian on penalty. One minute and 24 seconds. Now 7-14, back to 7-14 on San Sebastian. Now Cruz.
Lalim.
Villanueva, Alcala, Phil Rosario. Yo-yo moves, short. Still again on Alcala. Now Palomares. Palomares is 3-2. Palomares drive, foul.
0-8, Alcala.
Foul on the yo-yo man, Alcala. First on Alcala. First. Now San Sebastian on penalty. It's 59 seconds. First quarter. First game. For our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. Short. It's San Sebastian ball, 50 seconds.
Pandupeo.
Blue.
Pandupeo.
Blue. Blue.
Alcala, Lusada. Back to Alcala. Cruz, same spot. Short. Ilusario. Still again by Palomares. It's 30 seconds. Kalaykay. In and out. Top by Palomares. Uy. Back to Kalaykay. Foul.
Cruz.
Foul on Cruz.
First.
First on Cruz. San Sebastian and penalty. It's 18 seconds, 18.
Okay.
18 seconds.
Now Alcala.
Alcala.
Lusada. Oh, Lusada is 16-7. 4 seconds, 4 seconds.
Kunin nyo na, kunin nyo na. Kunin nyo na, 4 seconds na lang yan. Kunin nyo na.
Lusada. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lusada! And on the first quarter, score is 19 against 7, all by San Sebastian. And our referee for today is Referee Apatan and Referee Manuel. Second quarter ready. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Scholar Sports, Basketballista, and Mang Inasal, Manok ng Bayan. It's University of the North Ball, UN Ball.
Marbella, Kalaykay. Karang.
San Sebastian na yan. Baliktad ato. Ang sabi na.
Mendoza.
Layag. Pinopio. Layag. In and out. Nice box out on Salawat.
Yan sila na. 4. 4 o number 16 sila.
Salawat. 14 to shoot. Foul.
16 Carranza.
Foul on number 27 of University of the North.
27.
Di Guzman.
First on the Guzman.
Sino number 4? Sa Luzon?
Marbella.
In and out. Down by Mendoza. It's a ball. 14 the set clock 14.
Sabihin na rin sa number 4, Marabela at 47.
47. Solomon.
Marabella. Now Mendoza. Steal by the Guzman. 10 to shoot.
Oy.
3-second violation on San Sebastian. Turnover. Nice defense against University of the North. It's 8 minutes and 36 seconds. Now the Guzman. Pinocchio. Short. Foul. Foul on number 16.
Layag.
Ha?
Layag.
16 dito.
Carranza.
Oh, Naranza.
Hindi.
100 free throw shot by Bintero. It's 19 to 7. Short. All by San Sebastian.
Number 16 sa Bristol Junior, 16 sa San Sebastian.
Now, Marabella.
Caranza.
Garanga.
Caranza. Zaza.
Garanza. Garanza.
Carranza. 14 to shoot. Salamat to Mendoza. It's 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Marabella. 5. Black. Nice defense on UN.
19 siya po.
Dandy Pio.
Ha?
Dandy Pio. Dandy Pio.
Dan.
Dandy.
Foul. Foul again on number 16 on Carranza. First on Carranza. First team foul, San Sebastian. It's still 19 to 7. It's 8-point lead on San Sebastian. Pintero, short. Same ball, 14 na set clock. Pintero. Again, rebound by Guzman. Guzman. It's 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Six minutes and 50 seconds. Now Marabella. Guarded by Layag. Marabella again. Foul on number 14 on Mendoza. First personal foul on Mendoza. Second team foul against San Sebastian. Foul. Foul again on number 14 on Mendoza. Third team foul on San Sebastian. Second personal foul on Mendoza. Short. Top.
Sipitin siya po.
Pintero. Pandapio. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Carranza. Warning for penalty
Caranza, sir.
on San Sebastian.
Second quarter.
Second personal foul on Carranza.
Bang bang. Oh,
Ano yung kid? Ano pa?
salamat.
Ha?
Salamat.
Blue.
Dandio. Dandy Pio.
D dan TPO.
6 minutes. Now Marbella. Salamat. Rebound on blue shirts. Layag.
Pian, Idan, Pat, Pian, Pat.
Now Solomon. Solomon again. In and out. Rebound by Layag. Pat yun.
Pian, Pat, Pian, Pat, Dali.
Pandang.
Pian, no?
Pi.
Black. Again on Carranza. Penalty. Time out
Caranza, third.
on San Sebastian. It's 5 minutes and 14 seconds. 19 against 7. All scoreless on the ball game on the second quarter. This time out is brought to you again by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Magnolia. Lechon Manok, ang manok ng bayan. Back to the ball game.
Number 17 sa blue.
17.
Sabay.
Bernabe.
Ay shot coming from Bernabe. 19-8. Pandopio. Wow. Alon Salamat. Now, San Sebastian and penalty. 9-19. It's 10-point lead on San Sebastian. It's San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian. Five minutes for our second quarter. Now Solomon. Mendoza. Foul. All on number 17.
Bernabe.
On Bernabe. Second team foul on UN. First against Bernabe. 20 against 19. Back to 11-point lead on San Sebastian. Short. Rebound ng Palopio. Now Di Guzman. Carried by Mendoza. Short. Di Guzman again. Top. Solomon. Solomon to Mendoza. One ng babaylayag. Foul. Foul on Layag. Third team foul against University of the North. First on Layag. Now two free throw shot. Given by Mendoza. Now 21-9. 21 against 9. Bintero. Bintero, coast to coast, Bintero drive, Bintero, yes! On Bintero, it's 11 against the 21, 10-point lead on San Sebastian, 4 minutes. Solomon to Marabella. 1-1, Marabella escape, pass to Mendoza, foul. Foul on number 29 on Bintero. Warning for penalty on University of the North. First on Bintero. (22-11). Now 23-11, it's 12-point lead on San Sebastian. Now Di Guzman. Now short again, Palopio. Yes, now 13-23, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This is just our first game, first match for NCAA. Salamat. Air ball, Bintero. Bintero, drive, foul. Foul on number 24 on Salamat. Second personal foul on Salamat. Now 5 fouls, 5 team fouls on San Sebastian. Stepping on the line, busted not count by Bintero. It's 3 minutes and 15. Ball ng Marabella. Marabella looking for Mendoza. Mendoza. Covered by Nice defense, Solomon. Marabella pick. Stop. Pump. Time to shoot. 3-second violation. Timeout on University of the North. And this timeout is brought to you by Basketballista, Color Sports, and Magnolia Chicken, ang lechon manok ng bayan. Two minutes and 50 seconds.
Alaga lang, alaga!
Steal.
Diretso mo na!
Diba?
Out. Bernabe is there. Nandi Guzman. Ulayag. Yes, Ulayag. Now 15-23. Foul. Foul on the Guzman. Now penalty.
Mamaya sila pagkatapos laro sir.
Two minutes and 27 seconds. A shot coming from Solomon. It's 24-15. Now 25-15 back to 10-point lead on San Sebastian. Layag. Guzman. Then in out. Now Bernabe. Now 17 on 25. 2 minutes and 10. Mendoza to Solomon. Marabella. Ah! Foul on Salamat. Penalty. Otis now in penalty.
Salamat second.
Third na yan.
Third personal foul on Salamat.
Wala pa kami mga pass club.
It's 1 minute and 56 seconds. Quintero. Now Di Guzman. Yes, so Di Guzman. It's 19-25. It's 6-point lead on San Sebastian. Solomon. Mendoza. Back to Solomon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Solomon. 28-19. Quintero. Bernabe. To score. Rebound on Solomon. Solomon now. Now Solomon goes to coast. 3-on-2. Solomon drops. Solomon block. It's offensive foul on number 47 on Solomon. 59 seconds, 59.
Offensive foul. Offensive foul tayo, wala tayong foul. Wala tayong offensive foul tayo. Now Di Guzman, 1-1 by Marbelas. Ken to Strong.
Then, Oy.
Ha? Oy. Pula-pula, San Sebastian.
Marabella.
Luzada.
Nice bang! Block! Traveling violation. What the gate moves on Mendoza. 39 seconds.
Last shot na kayo, last shot.
Quintero, 30 seconds. It's 23 seconds, 10 to shoot. Oh, in and out. Quintero. In and out again. Marabala, 42 seconds. Mendoza, 10 seconds. Yes, on Marabala. And for second quarter, our score, it's 30 against 19. It's 11-point lead on San Sebastian. This third quarter is brought to you by Color Sports, UFPL, and Basketballista. Third quarter. It's University of the North Ball. Naoy. Jaradal, long ball game. Jaradal, hook shot, too strong, top. Now the Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man grab. Yo-Yo side step. Oh, the Yo-Yo Man. It's 32-19. Naoy. Rebound, Black. Now Palomares. Now he's still again on the Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man, nice move. Lanzana, it's Cruz. Now 34 against the US 19. Yo-Yo Man again, still on Uy. Now Uy, it's 4-on-2. Uy. Guarded by Cruz. Now looking for Palomares. 9 minutes.
11 blue.
Nice move, crossover, Black, top, it's Lasada. Now Cruz. Too strong, top, Lasada. Back to Yo-Yo Man, 14 na sa set, 14. Yo-Yo Man! Short! Lozano, 10 to shoot! Bang! Now 36 against 19. Now 15-point lead on San Sebastian. Foul. Foul on Lasada. First team foul on San Sebastian.
Lasada second.
Second personal foul on Lasada. Steal by Lasada. Now Yo-Yo Man. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yay.
Pass outside. 7 minutes. Palomares. Uy. Managili. Go! What a move! Now he's still again on San Sebastian. Cruz. Run by Uy. Good. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Rebound on Lasana. Now Cruz. Bang! Time out! On University of the North is 39-19. 20.3 on San Sebastian, and this time out is brought to you by Color Sports, UFPL, and Basketballista. Like now, official referees, referee Apatan and referee Manuel.
Sino nag-time out?
6 minutes and 26 seconds.
Halaga lang.
Now, uy.
Gitna!
Short. Now Yo-Yo Man again. The Yo-Yo Man. It's 5 on 3, 5 on 2. Yo-Yo Man. Nice steal. On Cruisers. It's San Sebastian ball.
Kanino kanina, di ba? UN yun kanina?
Hindi,
Third quarter.
kanila bola yun. Isa eh.
Ha? UN kayo, third quarter. UN kanina, third quarter kayo.
Third quarter sa kanila bola eh.
San Sebastian tayo. UN kanina, third quarter. San Sebastian tayo.
Gamit oras.
Cruz.
Tayo, paglibre, tirahan mo.
5 to shoot.
Ay, yeah.
Now UN ball. UN 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Luisa.
General. In it again, Palomares. Oh! A strong move coming by Palomares. Foul on number 8. On San Sebastian, second team foul on San Sebastian.
Alcala second first.
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Oy! It's 23-39, 16-point lead on San Sebastian. Now Cruz. Working to shoot. 10. Substitution, Terab, substitution. Alekay. Hey. Now Di Guzman. 10 to shoot. Technical foul on number 5. Oh, this is inserting.
Shoot mo lang ay.
Communication with siya.
Now 13 foul on San Sebastian. Second on Cruz. Di Guzman.
Ito, naka-screen oh.
10 to shoot. Kalengkay. Too strong. Top. It's San Sebastian ball. San Sebastian. It's 4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Screw. Luzada.
Luzada.
Ay!
In and out. Tap. Oh, Di Guzman. Now Di Guzman. Go to go. Di Guzman. 25 to 39. Now 14-point lead on San Sebastian. Ajaradal to Pintero. Yes, number 11. With time out. On San Sebastian, it's 39-27, 12-point lead. On San Sebastian, it's 4 against 0 run. On University of the North. This timeout is brought to you by UFPL, Color Sports, and Basketballista.
Jeff, ready yung kota yung fourth quarter, ha? Ready yung kota niyo. Kunin ko before fourth quarter kota niyo.
It's blue ball, blue. Bernabe. Kalikay. Black. 10 to shoot. Basket count and one again on number 11. Foul on Villanueva. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian. Now 39. Continue to step up. 2:29. It's 10-point lead. San Sebastian. Now the Yonaman Alcala. Now drive pass foul. Foul on Bernabe. First team foul on UN.
Bernabe second.
Second personal foul on Bernabe. Bowling Luzada. Yoyman. Too strong. Foul! Foul on Kalikay. Second team foul on University of the North. Second personal foul against Kalikay.
Bongbang. Ay.
It's 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Basket sa dito sa terap. Now, Guzman. Short. Now it's 2 on 3.
Yeah.
Short. Now, Guzman rebound. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Pintero. Still it's 2 on 1. Alcala. Fake. Oh, Alcala. It's 41 to 29.
Walang play tayo, wala tayong subset. Pwede tayo mag-time out.
Di Guzman.
Yes.
Jaragal. 10 to shoot. Kalikay. Air ball. Now rebound on Luzada. Villanueva. 2 minutes. Di Guzman. Substitution tayo, substitution.
Warning, warning.
1 minute and 50. Layag to Pintero. Foul on number 10. On to Diwasan. Penalty tayo, penalty.
Number 10.
Lazada.
Pangilan mo.
Third.
Third personal foul against Lazada. 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Now 30 to 42. It's 12-point lead on San Sebastian. Ispan to Diagonal. Oh! Salamat. Too strong. Now Pintero. Layag di Guzman. Pintero. Alcala. Diagonal. Di Guzman. Foul. Oh! Basket count again and one by Di Guzman. Foul on Villanueva.
Kailan mo. Kailan mo. Kailan mo.
Now 33 to 42. 50 seconds.
Lapit! Dikit kayo mo! Distansya kamay! Para. Dikit.
Pati pa iwan mo yung nagbabasa. Kasi talaga.
10 seconds. Salamat.
Wala.
35 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Oh, Pintero. 35 to 42.
Harap ko! Hoy, sa dito!
15 seconds.
Sabay! Sige na!
10 seconds, 10.
Hoy, sa'yo dapat yung Wala ko!
Still by Benabe. Pintero. Guzman. It's traveling violation. Traveling 5 seconds.
Okay lang. 5 seconds pa, no? Paulit! Dito na! Kaya tao lang. Baba!
And now for third quarter, it's 42 to 35, 7-point lead on San Sebastian.
Lazada.
Sir, kunin ko yung kanyo. Kota nyo.
Opo. May dalawa ka pa.
Pero check, kota nyo. Bibigay kayo kota nyo. Bibigay kayo, hindi. Bibigay kayo pagkatapos. Salar katawan mo.
Yes.
Yung Diyos mong tiyan mo, laki yung tiyan mo. Kota nyo, ha? Kota nyo. Ha? Pagkatapos. Kota nyo pagkatapos, ha? Kota nyo, ha? Sige lang, pero wala problema. Hindi naman, alam naman yung...
Gusto ko ulit na kwan pag may...
Wala tayong problema kung saan bibigay mo.
Last quarter. Nauy. Pinapio. Too strong. It's San Sebastian ball. 9 minutes and 42 seconds. Marabella.
Backing.
It's 14 to shoot. 9 minutes and 27 seconds. 14 to shoot. Ten. High. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! One, salamat! Palomares. Drive. Too strong. Oh, now 37-45. It's 8-point lead on San Sebastian. Lusada. Looking for Mendoza. Foul. Foul on number 19 on University of the North. First team foul on UN.
Huh?
First.
Sino kaya yan?
Pandillo. Pandillo.
Talaga sa ayos kayo na. Ano ininom niyo?
Ha?
Ano ba ininom niyo?
Ha?
8 minutes and 41 seconds. Rebound by Uy. Still by Mendoza. Salamat. In and out by Salamat. It's 8 minutes and 26 seconds. It's still on Marabella. Marabella drive, Marabella. Short. Top by Uy. Now, number 11, drive, go, drive, zigzag, whatever! Now, 39 to 45. It's 6-point lead. San Sebastian. Mendoza. Foul. Foul on Palomares. Substitution up, sub. Second team foul on UN. Salamat. 1-1 by Bernabe. Still by Layag. Now Layag to Bernabe. Bernabe looking for still by Lusada again. Lusada. Now Lusada to Cruz. Cruz. Substitution. It's only 6-point lead on San Sebastian. It's 45 against the 39. Short. Whoa! 41 to 45, 4-point lead on San Sebastian. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Di Guzman. Substitution of third team foul on University of the North.
Di Guzman second.
Second personal foul on Di Guzman.
Return. Ay,
Score 45 to 41. It's only 4-point lead on San Sebastian. Basket substitution na, basket substitution. Sub.
Mendoza plus
Time out. On University of the North, this time out is brought to you by UFPL, Basket Polista, and Toro Sports.
Tanya pula.
6 minutes. And our next game will be Adamson versus University of Iloilo. Paras. Tap. It's a ball. Inbounding Pintero. Looking for the Guzman. Paras. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Lazada. First on Lazada. Subdivision of South. Third on Lazada. First on San Sebastian.
Ano pa kami sa number 11 mo sa iyo?
Yung 11. Manani.
Alin?
Lazada tayo, Lazada. First team foul pa tayo, San Sebastian. First team foul. Third on Lazada.
May papunas tayo. May papunas.
Madulas.
Mag-time out tayo.
Out, out!
42 against the 46. Only 4-point lead on San Sebastian. Paras! In and out. Panagalip. Take. Drive.
Yeah.
Pintero.
Quintero.
10 to shoot.
Paras.
Paras.
Quintero.
Guzman. Rep, punasan na bola, rep. Punas bola, rep. Guzman, rep. Foul on number 7 on Del Rosario. Second team foul on San Sebastian.
Del Rosario Soccer.
Second personal foul on Del Rosario. This is our first game for our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. And our second match will be University of Iloilo against Adamson.
Reserve substitution.
Now 43 to 46.
Yan pa nakalansa. Kalang ba? Tatlang? Karansa, kawin mo lagyan. Karansa.
Carranza.
44 to 46. Cruz. Going to Guzman. Bernabe. Whoa! Bernabe. It's 46 all. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Lusada.
Ya Allah.
Now Paras. Balayanip. Oh, no, time out. On San Sebastian, it's 48 to 46, 2-point lead on University of the North. Now change memo, this time out. Four minutes and 25 seconds. 2-point lead now, University of the North.
Ilan time out namin, sir? Para, boy!
Isa. Gamit yun kanina.
Uli na!
Oh! Bernabe! Paras! 2-1, Paras, drive, Paras! Paras again!
Labas! Likod!
14 is the second, 14. Bernabe. General. Short, top. Rebound on General. Top, now Bernabe. Back to Guzman. Foul on Del Rosario, substitution of sub.
Del Rosario third.
Third personal foul on Del Rosario, third on San Sebastian.
Irep.
Basket substitution left.
Tao!
Bintero. Back to Paras. Time to shoot. Oh! Bintero. Now Alcala. Steal on Gerardal. Now 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Parang,
Now Gerardal, they steal again. Gerardal. Mendoza. Time to shoot. Three minutes. It's 51 to 46. Foul. Oh, traveling violation of Maravillas. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 51 to 46, 5-point lead on University of the North. Paras. 14 to shoot.
shoot the ball.
3-second violation on Gerardal. It's 2 minutes and 18. Stop, release, wala tayo.
Alcala.
Foul. Substitution left sa foul on number 29.
Bintero.
On Bintero, warning for penalty on UN.
Bintero second.
Saan ang timeout nyo? Saan ang timeout nyo? Ginamit nyo na kanina.
Bintero second person.
Second on Bintero. Maraveles. 2 minutes.
Cruz.
Hindi na kayo, walang pitiyan sa inyo eh.
Cruz, Beng Bong.
Paras.
Para.
Di Guzman. Yes, on Di Guzman. Maraveles. Shoot again, Paras. Tulayag. Too strong, top, may Lasana.
Oras! Gamit oras!
14 is set sa clock, 14.
Oras na kaya?
Layag.
Gamit oras!
Yes! On Di Guzman.
55.
It's UN ball, 1 minute. Remaining time, 1 minute. Sub, ref, sub. Foul. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian. 58 seconds.
Dito nga pa. 17, 18.
14.
16. Mendoza.
Paras. Bernabe. 45 seconds. Wow! Basket gone on number 11. Foul on Cruz. 41 seconds. 72 left.
Cruz, third personal foul.
Third personal foul on Cruz. Forty-one seconds. Now 56 to 46, 37 seconds.
Huli! 34 seconds? Okay lang.
Wow, penalty ref, penalty.
Sayang. Nauna pa.
Both teams now and penalty. Two free throw shot coming from Salamat. Basket time out rep.
Eh.
Oras, 30 seconds. 25. 20. 14 to shoot.
Aywa.
10 to shoot. And our winner is University of the North is 56 against 4.